just one thing I need.
Good morning, guys. Today is what today? No, it's Wednesday, December 13th. Si Sophie nandito sa akin. Mamaya may party sila sa school. You want some too, Holly? Good morning again, guys. Today is December 13th and it's Wednesday. It's Wednesday and time check is 11:25. Yeah, may sipon si Holly. And mamaya, mayroon si Zachary at saka si Sophie na party. Ang tawag is Twilight Kindi. And then, ang sabi dito, ang party will start 5:30 to 7 p.m. And sabi din, please bring a plate of sweet and savory food to share. So, kahapon, bumili na ako ng cupcakes, mini cupcakes na ito siya. Mini cupcakes na chocolate and banana muffins. Mini banana muffins. So, ito siguro ito ang dadalhin ko for sweets and gagawa ko ngayon ng spring rolls. And may binili rin akong banana prawns kasi si Jan gusto niya ng garlic prawns spring rolls. Right, Holly? Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Parang kiss. So, may sipon siya. Say hi. Hi. Wipe your nose. Wipe your nose. Good girl. Good girl. Flying kiss. Flying kiss to everyone. Flying kiss. Flying kiss. Oh, wipe your nose. So, flying kiss na dili. Flying kiss. So, yun. So, dadalhin ko is mini cupcakes and mini muffins, banana muffins, and spring rolls. Right, Holly? Let's do it. Let's do it, Holly. Let's do it. Yeah. Holly, come. I love you. Okay, see ya. Alis tayo kasi nawawala yung ano ko. Punta tayo dito sa sari-sari store. Titingin tayo ng titingin ako kung meron silang peeler kasi yung pang-peel ko sa mga carrots, apples, nawawala. Hindi ko siya mga so hindi ko mabalatan yung carrots. Kaya inuna ko muna yung hipo na balatan. So pag wala dito sa tindahan, punta ako dun sa mother-in-law ko. Maghihiram tayo. So magdali muna tayo. How's that, guys? They have it. Meron sila, oh. Tatlo. $4.80 siya. So, at least hindi na ako magdadrive dun sa, sa bay para maghiram kay ma'am. So, ayan. Let's go. Balatan na natin yung carrots. lang kayo. Natimplang ko na yung garlic prawns and then nagbalot lang muna ako ng isa para itry ko kung okay na yung lasa niya bago ko sila balutin. Dahil at least kung matabang siya, pwede ko pa siyang ma-adjust. So, ganun din dun sa spring roll. Bago ko sila binabalot lahat, nagpiprito muna akong isa kung okay na yung lasa niya. So, yun. Ano na muna natin to? Prituhin muna siya. Luto na yung garlic prawns. Mainit siya. Luto na siya. O, ito ang itsura niya pag luto na siya. And then, nakikita nyo yung shell na yan, yung tail shell. Hindi ko talaga yan inaalis kasi para may design siya. Kasi kung may, ano tayo tawag na, party like cocktail party. So, at least maganda siya tingnan. Kasi pag wala yan, ang tsaka-tsaka niya. Na-try ko na yun. Ang tsaka niya. So, eto, linalagay ko na siya lagi pag gumagawa ko nito. So, try na natin siya. Wait lang, mainit pa eh. Husgahan na natin siya. Wait. Ang sarap. Ang sarap niya, guys. Sak. 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 Do you wanna try? Tawag ko si Sak, tulog pala. So, ako na lang mag-uubos nito. Tapos, so, tapos ngayon gagawin ko na yung, at titimplahan ko na yung ano, yung, ang tawag nga, spring rolls. Yan, tapos ko na siyang timplahan ngayon. Dating gawi. Magluluto tayong konti. Anuin ko lang siya, parang bola-bola lang. Tapos, prituhin natin. Tara. So, pinapalamig ko lang. Kasi si Sak daw magta-try. I-try niya raw. Wait, it's still hot, Sak. Ayan siya. Oh. Naghihintay. Wait.
Good, Mom.
How is it?
Good.
You sure? Ayan na siya, guys. Wait, Mommy will try it.
Don't put my tissue back on.
Wait, Mama will try also. Yeah, well. Okay na siya. Pwede ko na siyang balutan. Ayan si Sako. Say hi.
Hi. Guys.
How is it, Zaki?
Good.
You like it? So, tara, magbalot na tayo. Hindi ko muna binalot yung, ano, yung hipon kasi yung oras, guys, 3:00 na. Ayan. Ito na siya. 80 pieces yung nabalot ko. Tapos may tira pa. Bukas ko na to i-wrap din. Ilalagay ko siya sa freezer para sa Christmas. So, yeah. Itong dadalhin ko sa party ni Zachary. Ayan. 80 pieces. What rolls are you talking about, boys? Excuse me, Kuya. How's school?
Good.
Good. Tara, magprito na tayo.
Where are you going?
Huh? Say hi.
3 o'clock, Mom.
It's 4 o'clock. So,
No.
Lutoy. Yeah, Mommy's gonna cook it now and then we're gonna get ready.
Look, 1, 2,
Say, where you going? Tell them where you going. You're going. You have a what?
to a candy party.
Candy
Mom,
party.
Mom,
Wala si
look,
Punto.
look. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, so yeah. Lutuin ko muna to and then asikasuhin ko na sila. Yes, Baba. You want more? You want more?
Hello.
Say hi. Say
Hi,
hi.
Holly.
Hi. Say hi. So let's go. Mommy's gonna cook now. Yeah.
But you have to tag like that.
Yeah. And then you have to get ready. Change your clothes now, okay?
Huh?
Hoy!
Hi.
This is for your candy.
Huh?
This is for your candy.
Hi.
Kumuha ka na naman, ha? Habang nagpipito ako ng spring rolls, si Holly sumasayaw. Oh. Oops! So yan, ready na kami. Tingnan nyo yung ano ko, oh. Nagpeklat na talaga yung tiniris kong blackheads dito. So yan. Nag-wavy curl lang. Hi, Holly! Come on, Holly! Hi, Baba! Tara, wait. Pakita natin yung OOTD natin, Holly. Hi! Say hi! Paalis na kami. Ipakita ko lang sa inyo yung suot ko. Nabili ko to sa ano eh, sa Bagpe. $4. $4.50. Ayan, oh. May mga patches siya. Hanggang, ayan. Ganyan siya kahaba. So, yeah. So, alis na kami. So, paalis na kami. Ito yung dadalhin naming food. Yung sweets na dala namin. Mini banana muffins, tsaka mini cupcakes. Tapos, ito yung savory spring rolls. So, yun. Excited for your party, Zachary? Huh? Why you look sad?
Talking like
You're
a
not?
robot.
I want.
A robot has a
So, yeah. Andyan lang yung Kindy, oh. Si Holly andun. Hi, Holly!
Mom?
Say, talk to people.
Huh?
Talk to people.
Huh?
Can you talk to them?
Mama, Miss Mama. I don't need you. I want to get the Tindy really played up so we can play Tindy Cup.
Ayan yung Kindy, oh. Ayan yung school bus.
That's
Ayan yung food.
once I want to marry in school. Huh? Hi.
Okay, let's go. Dito na. Where's Kuya? Huh? So go, play.
So I just take one of there.
Up the tree.
We have to find it.
Hi, Sophie.
Sophie, did you say hello to China?
Say hi.
You're a good girl keeping your hair up, Holly girl.
Say hi. Say hi. Holly. Yeah. Holly. Where's the... This is what Daddy got. Holly. What's this? Look. Ta? Ano kamayan ginagawa niyo sa party? Look at you. Making sure you're not gonna go inside the house. Can you get Holly muffins, the banana muffin?
You've got one brownie on me.
Yeah, that one. Give it to Holly.
You want donut?
Say ta. 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 Good girl. Yes.
Hi. Here.
Pick one around the
So we're done here, guys. The party is over. Naubos siya. Mabenta yung spring roll. Okay, let's go. We are home, guys. We're just gonna close the vlog. How's the candy, Zachary? How's the party?
Good.
Okay, close the vlog. Please like.
Please like.
Please subscribe.
Please like our channel.
See you on our next
Next
vlog.
vlog.
Bye.
Bye. Didi. Day.
Okay, Holly, say bye-bye. Bye.
Mom.
Say bye. Flying kiss. Say
It's
good.
good night, guys.
Okay, good night.
Mommy.
me if you're really there. Don't